Dear viewers, today we are dealing with the reactions of urea cycle. Urea cycle is a 5-step process. First step is synthesis of carbamyl phosphate. Carbamyl phosphate synthase of mitochondria catalyzes the condensation of ammonia with CO2 to form carbamyl phosphate. Second reaction is formation of citrulline. Citrulline is synthesized from carbamyl phosphate and ornithine by ornithine transcarbamylase. Ornithine is regenerated and used in urea cycle. Therefore, the role is comparable to that of oxaloacetate in citric acid cycle. Third reaction is synthesis of argininosuccinate. Argininosuccinate synthase condenses citrulline with aspartate to produce argininosuccinate. Fourth reaction is cleavage of argininosuccinate. Argininosuccinase cleaves argininosuccinate to give arginine and fumarate. And fifth and last reaction is formation of urea. Arginase is the fifth and final enzyme that cleaves arginine to yield urea and ornithine. Ornithine, so regenerated, enters mitochondria for its reuse in the urea cycle. If you like the video, share with your friends and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel. Thanks a lot.